Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and the best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. So this is a super neat trailer. It was custom made. It is a Gore. It is a 2024. It is 7 wide, 8 tall. So it is very, very big. Great for big size horses. All aluminum skin, pressure treated wood floor. A couple of things about it. It's got a hydraulic jack. It's got a water tank, battery, spare tire, full running boards. It's got 110 outlets on the other side of the trailer, and it's got your 30 amp hookup here on this side. It is actually, let's check that. I don't think that's a 30 amp, that's a 110. No? I think that's a 110. So excuse me, 110 hookup. It does have an air conditioning unit. It's white in color with the Gore graphics. 2 full escape doors with nice drop down windows. Sliders on the rear. It's got added footage to the dressing room. So I'll get you the actual footage of the trailers, and all the information will be on carolinatrailersales.com, including the price. It's got a ramp with Dutch doors. To see with the sun, guys, sorry. It is like new. It has been very lightly used. Padding on the walls, padding on the divider on both sides. It's got 2 fans, 2 roof vents there above. This is a fiberglass roof, by the way. So fiberglass roof, steel frame, aluminum skin, pressure treated wood floor. That is how Gores are made. Mats. Again, the 2 full escape doors with drop down windows. Let me go ahead and just drop this window down so I can show you. Really nice drop down windows. Like I said, I'll have all the information about this trailer, actual height and width. I mean, for me standing in it, it seems like 8 tall. So we're going to go with extra tall, extra wide, and at any rate, I'll have that information on the website. 110 outlets. There's a 110 outlets on this side. It has a camper door, so a door with screen. It's got a walk-through door. I forgot to say that before. Walk-through door. Fully lined and insulated wall on this side. 3-tier saddle rack. Boot box for storage, and you can step up. And again, like I said, this had added footage to the trailer. It's got a fan up in the nose, clothes bar. Super nice trailer. Still smells new. Sliders in the nose with screens. Kind of give you an idea of the size of the. So it's definitely got extra footage. And like I said, I'll have all that information on the website. It is extra tall for sure. 110 outlet on the inside here, 110 outlet down at the bottom. So this trailer is set up to camp in if you'd like. It's got air conditioning, it's got outlets. This is a really neat trailer. Big horses, want to camp, not have a huge trailer, this would be a great option. 2024 Gore, 2-horse straight load, gooseneck. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. This is Ashley. Best way to reach me, 828-773-4500. Thanks a lot, guys.